Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will explain the use of completing square method for solving any quadratic equation. There are 4 steps for solving any quadratic equation by using completing square method. I will tell you stepwise how we use the steps for solving any quadratic equation by the help of completing square method law. This is your question. For example, there is an equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So we can solve this equation with the simple factorization method. First I will explain this equation by the factorization method. Middle term breakage, the product of extremes, this is one extreme and this was 6 is the second extreme. The product of extremes is 6, the product is 6. Now the sum is 5. We will take factors of 6. The sum of the factors should be 5 and the difference and the product should be 6. So 3 to the 6, we can use trial method. 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. Sum of these two is not 6. Difference of these two is 6, but 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. When we multiply this 6 multiplied by minus 1, the answer is minus 6. We need positive 6. We don't need negative 6, so this is not possible. So we will use 3 2s are 6 is equal to 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. So these two factors will be the used for this question. So here we will write in place of 5x 3x plus 2x. So x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. X common, x into x plus 3 plus 2 common, x plus 3 equals to 0. So x plus 3 common into x plus 2 equals to 0. X plus 3 equals to 0 and x plus 2 equals to 0. X is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to minus 2. So this is your factorization middle term breakage method. Now how to solve this equation by using completing square method? For this, first step 1, to remove the coefficient of x square. You can see that there is no coefficient of x square, so we will omit the first step, that is remove the coefficient of square term. Second step is to shift the constant term towards right side. So this is your second step. X square plus 5x is equal to minus 6. Now the third step is apply the completing square method. So x square is the square of x plus 5x. I have already told you there is simple method to apply the completing square method. Simply take the half of the coefficient of x and square it. Add the square of half of the coefficient of x on both sides, that is 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 6 plus 5 by 2 whole square. Add on both sides the coefficient of x, half of the coefficient of x with square on both sides. So this is your complete square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So this will become x plus 5 by 2 whole square equals to minus 6 plus 25 over 4. So x plus, we can write it 2.5 whole square is equals to 24, take 4 LCM, minus 24 plus 25. So finally you will get x plus 5 by 2 whole square equals to 1 by 4. Now the fourth step, take square root on both sides. दोनों साइड्स का आपने क्या करना है, स्क्वायर रूट ले लेना है. तो x प्लस 5 by 2 whole square is equals to 1 by 4, taking square root on both sides. So square will be cancelled with square root. So x plus 5 by 2 is equals to plus minus 1 by 2. So x plus 5 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 and x plus 5 by 2 equals to minus 1 by 2. X is equals to 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. X is equals to 2 LCM, 1 minus 4. So 1 minus 5, sorry. 1 minus 5, so x is equals to minus 4 over 2, that is equals to minus 2 is the final answer. For second, x is equals to minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So x is equals to 2 LCM, minus 1 minus 5. So x is equals to minus 6 over 2. This is x is equals to minus 3. You can compare this answer with the previous answer which I have calculated with the middle term breakage. Both the answers are same. So this is this solution of a simple quadratic equation. Now I will solve a little bit difficult with the coefficient of x square. I will explain how to solve the quadratic equation having the coefficient with x square. Now if we write this equation as 2x square simply, so here we can find the middle term breakage here, because middle term product of these two extremes is 6 to the 12. So there is no factor of 12 which they have the sum 5. So apply here completing square method. Step 1. First step क्या है जी? Step 1. Divide whole equation by the coefficient of x square. First, this is your first step. Now divide whole equation. 2x square over 2 plus 5x over 2 plus 6 over 2 is equal to 0. So this is cancelled. X square plus 2.5x plus 3 equals to 0. Second step, shift constant term towards right side. So x square plus 2.5x is equal to minus 3. This is your second step, mind it. Now using these steps you can solve any quadratic equation with the help of completing square method. Now apply the completing square method here. This is third step. Third step, apply completing square. X square plus 2.5x is plus 2.5 over 2 whole square equals to minus 3 plus 2.5 over 2 whole square. This is the third step. Apply the completing square method and then you will see that this is the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. So write it in the form of identity. X plus 2.5 over 2 whole square equals to minus 3 plus 2.5 over whole square. This will become 2.5 multiplied by 2.25. This will become 625. 6.25. 2.5 multiplied 2.5. This will be 6.25. So 6.25 over 4. X plus, this could be written as 1.25 whole square equals to minus 3 plus 6.25 divided by 4 equals to 1.5625. 1.5625. So x plus 1.25 whole square is equals to minus, your answer is in negative form, minus 1.4375. Minus 1.4375. If there is a negative sign, we cannot take square root. The fourth step is take square root on both sides. So you will get x plus 1.25 is equal to plus minus under root minus 1.4375. If there is a negative sign, then there is no solutions. No solutions. That's it. For I hope you will understand how to use, from this video you will understand how to use completing square method for solving an equation. If there is a positive sign, then we will further solve it for the values of x. That's it. Allah Hafiz.